Hi all, Carol here, and I still have Lynn. We just completed a ring pour. She just completed a ring pour and we're very happy with it, but we have leftovers. Can't just let it go to waste. So I got another small 8x8 canvas out. We're going to do another ring pour. We still have some of the leftover paint that we put into the large cup. If we need it, we will. And this time, well, you'll consider whether you want to wreck it or not after the ring pour. So let's do this again.
Okay. Fingers crossed.
Oh, I know. I don't think you need your fingers crossed for this. Got a lot of black and silver in this one. Interesting. Okay, I'm going to turn it so that you get some more color over on the other side. Oh, we have plenty. What were we thinking?
I don't know. And different colors are coming out with this one. Yeah.
Well, it's at the end, so.
It is. It is. Yep.
Okay, let me torch it. Oh, interesting. Well, okay, go for it.
Let's see what we got.
And anytime you want to decide whether you're going to wreck it or not, you can do that. I hear you. You're thinking no.
I'm thinking, I'm not sure. Wow, I didn't see any blue and now it's all blue.
Yep.
Wow.
Well. Interesting. Okay, let's put it down and let it flow down, see where. Oh, look at that. Okay, let's see where it's flowing down. It's still flowing.
Yep.
Here, let me get you. I use the top one.
Thank
you can use the other ones.
Thank you. Yep.
Still flowing.
Can I see the...
Where'd the pink go? Pardon? What do you want?
No, the spatula or the...
Yes.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, let me first...
Okay.
See if anything comes up. Okay. Well, there's kind of pink, kind of.
Not much.
Just
though.
a hint of it. Yeah, not much.
Not much, I have to tell you.
Let me know if you want it turned.
Yeah, let me
Oh, it's still dripping, so it's filling in a lot of places, but like you know, the corners.
Yeah, the corners are always tricky.
The only time it's not is if you actually just pour it over, and then quite often they can fill in.
Yeah. So, well, let's see. Is there something? Yep.
Yes, let me turn this
Thank
for
you.
Hey, but not much, you know?
Not much. I know it did pretty well.
I like how you use the palette knife.
Yeah.
I just go for it.
Well,
as you know in class.
Yeah, but you taught us that. You taught us to let the paint kind of absorb or just
fall down.
Yeah,
flow. It's going to continue. You've got some paint here. See, some good color there. Okay.
So.
Okay, what do you want to do? Do you want to? You had talked about silicone, and you can put some in.
I'm wondering if I do the silicone, is it going to bring out the pink that might be in there, or I don't know if there's any pink in there. It might.
It might.
Let's do it. Let's do it.
Okay.
I do love the silicone.
I know. And you do it very well.
Well, I enjoy it.
Okay, so I'm going to put some there.
And if you could give me the small comb.
The small comb.
Okay. I will.
Let me move this out of the way.
Let's just see what happens. I do love this.
And it is not bringing up pink.
It's not. How can we get some pink in there?
Oh, that's easy enough.
I'm going to do this. Never done this before, but it's always a first time for everything. Like this?
Sure, why not? This is your piece.
Oh, yeah.
I can add more when you want more.
Oh, look, it's starting to come up there a little bit.
You could just touch although you know what? No, I agree.
Can I get more paint?
Absolutely.
Let's do that. Oh, yeah, I'm liking this.
There, that should cover it for
yeah,
a little while.
That should be.
Ooh. Watch out that you don't get, I see it traveling a little bit.
It is traveling in this.
Don't worry about it.
Okay.
You might like the big dots. You may want to add another 1 or 2 so that. Just don't get the camera.
I think it's far enough away. I think we're good.
I'm not so sure. Okay. Do you want any more large dots? I like what you got, the large dots.
Let's see.
Oh, don't get. No, what you're going to have to do, yeah.
This poor.
Just 1. Perfect. That's the perfect one.
That was the pièce de résistance.
It looks so pretty. Let's see. Okay. Well, you don't see any of the rings, really.
No, the
but
rings
you know
are
what?
gone.
But it's in the background. It's very pretty.
I want to.
Oh, now you're putting in a ring. Keep going, keep going. Okay, let's.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's getting more dimensional, 3-dimensional. Whoops. I'm also touching it where I shouldn't be.
Well. Okay. Anything more? I've got other toys.
Let me. I know. Look at, what are these things?
That's the silicone.
Okay.
It did spray over there. A few other places.
I know. I'm just like.
Are you becoming like me? Can't take me anywhere?
Well, you know, it is what it is, right?
Yes. Okay, put it down. Let's see what you got.
Okay.
Okay, I saw one little area. Oh, it's pretty.
There's actually quite a few like around here, but I don't know what to do about
It's
that.
still flowing. Well, that's the silicone. That's
And there's
you know,
not much to do about that, right? So
I don't think so.
It is what it is.
I don't
Yeah.
think so. If you want, you can take this and you can,
Put dots.
no, you can make it so that that was like going down and finishing it. So it looked like it was always this one too. Well, no, that one did go
good.
down.
Yeah.
And these went down.
I think they went down. Yeah, they're
Yeah.
good.
Okay.
I like the dimensionality of that one.
Yeah, may I?
Yes.
How about that way?
Yeah. Yeah. This is a great example of like you just keep working with it until you get to a place
Exactly.
where it just feels right. Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Wow. Good use of
Yay.
the leftover paint.
Yeah.
And that's how it goes. You know, we've talked about this in class, Lynn. You start with one intention, and as
Yep.
you see it evolving,
Yep.
it's okay.
Yep.
Change it.
And you can always add paint when it's already you've already done your initial pour, and that's something I've
Hey.
learned.
We've also learned that you can always just scrape the whole thing off and start again.
Done that too.
Yes.
Yep,
Not
yep,
very
yep.
often, fortunately.
Yeah, I've only done
But-
it
or
once,
s-
I think, or twice since I've. Yeah.
I don't remember.
Yeah. Yeah.
I just
Well,
know.
out of 14 classes, you know, that's
Is that how many?
that's how many I've
And
had.
counting.
Yeah, yeah, absolutely.
Okay, well, very good. I'm anxious to see how it dries, if the magenta stays in place and all.
I think it will.
I think so too.
Yeah.
We'll see. Well, thank you so much, Lynn. This has
My
been
pleasure. Thank
fun.
you.
We need to do this again.
Absolutely. Anytime.
And thank you so much for watching. Leave your thoughts in the comments below. I do love hearing from you. And if you got anything out of this, please give it a like. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Or maybe you know someone who would enjoy this content. Please consider sharing. Thank you again for watching. See you next time. Have a great day. Bye.
Bye-bye.